Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw on your Exodus wallet. For that, you just have to simply install the Exodus wallet in your account, and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already, or create your account on Exodus wallet if you don't have it. Now, as you can see that currently I'm in my Exodus wallet account, and this is the home page that looks something like this. Here you just have to make sure that you select that particular coin which you want to deposit over here. So let's say you want to deposit Solana in your Exodus wallet, so you just have to swipe to the left, and then you will be able to see send, receive and swap option. Now, as you want to deposit, you need to tap on the receive option, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address over here. So you need to tap on Solana address in order to copy it, and then you just have to go to that particular exchange from which you are going to deposit your Solana. Let's say I have my Solana in my Binance account and I want to transfer my Solana from Binance to the Exodus wallet. So you need to launch your Binance app and then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then select spot in the top, and now you need to select Solana. Then tap on the withdrawal option and select the send via crypto network. Over here, you just have to paste the address that you have just copied from the Exodus wallet. Then it will automatically take the network, but if it doesn't, then you need to make sure that the Solana network is selected over here. Now in the withdrawal section, you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw. After filling these details, you just have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to wait for some time until your transaction is completed. Now once your transaction is completed, you are going to receive your Solana into your Exodus wallet, and it will show you on the home page that will look something like this. Now, in order to withdraw from your Exodus wallet, you just have to again select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw. Again, let's say you want to withdraw Solana, so you need to just swipe to the right, and now you can tap on the send option. Then it will ask you to enter the amount of Solana that you want to basically transfer. Currently I have some of the Solanas in my account, so I'm going to type this much amount of Solana that I want to transfer. Now you just have to tap on the send button or the next button in the bottom. Then it will show you this section that will ask you to paste the Solana address. So you just have to paste that address in this section. So in order to get that address, what you need to do is you need to simply launch that particular exchange or that particular wallet in which you want to deposit your crypto. Let's say I want to withdraw from my Exodus wallet to my Phantom wallet, so I'm going to launch my Phantom wallet application over here, and then you need to just select Solana. After that, you need to tap on the receive button, and you need to just copy this address from here. After copying it, you just have to go to the Exodus wallet, and now you need to paste the address in this section. On the next page, you just have to tap on the withdraw button in order to confirm and initiate your transaction. And once the transaction is completed, you will be able to withdraw your cryptos from the Exodus wallet, which in my case is the Phantom wallet. So you can withdraw it to any other wallets that you want. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.